What if you could tap into the massive $7.7 billion recipe goldmine without writing a single word or cooking a single meal? Welcome to my Culinary Fusion review. In this video, I will show you exactly what this product is, how it works, and if it is actually worth your time and money. Here is my honest first impression. If you want a fast, done-for-you digital product business in one of the most profitable niches on the internet, Culinary Fusion is a no-brainer. It gives you over 100 high-quality food and recipe ebooks with unrestricted private label rights. That means you can rebrand them, sell them, and keep 100% of the profits. Plus, stick around until the end because I've put together a massive bonus package with 10 premium tools that will help you get traffic and sales fast. You can check out those bonuses by clicking the first link in the description at any time. Let us break down what Culinary Fusion actually is. It is a massive collection of done-for-you gourmet recipes and pro-culinary secrets. It covers everything from breakfast and dinner to snacks and desserts. Who is this for? It is perfect for affiliate marketers, content creators, and anyone who wants to sell digital products but does not want to spend hundreds of hours or thousands of dollars hiring writers and graphic designers. The biggest problem it solves is the huge barrier to entry in product creation. You do not need any writing skills, design skills, or cooking experience. Now, let me show you how simple this is to use. Once you log in, you get instant access to the entire library of over 100 recipe ebooks. You do not need any expensive software to edit these. You just open them in Canva, which is completely free. You can drag and drop your own logo, change the colors to match your brand, and tweak the text if you want. Once you are happy, just hit export. You now have a premium digital product ready to sell on Amazon KDP, Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. You can also break these books down and use them as highly converting lead magnets to build your email list. The front-end offer is ridiculously underpriced right now at just $14. But to help you scale even faster, there are 3 optional upgrades. Upgrade 1 is $17 and gives you even more premium content to sell. Upgrade 2 is $25 and unlocks advanced templates and bundles. Upgrade 3 is $34 and gives you maximum reseller rights and tools to scale this into a full-blown agency. You do not need these upgrades to start making money, but they are great if you want to speed up your results. Now let's talk about the custom bonuses I am giving you when you pick up Culinary Fusion through my link in the description. I have handpicked 10 premium tools to make sure you get targeted traffic and make actual sales with your new ebooks. Bonus 1 is Pin Marketer. This automates your Pinterest tasks to drive massive buyer traffic, which is the absolute best traffic source for food and recipe content. Bonus 2 is IG Feeds Machine, a premium tool to build beautiful Instagram feed walls to grow your visual brand. Bonus 3 is Social Media Viral Content Builder. This forces users to share your content on social media before they can read it, driving instant viral traffic to your offers. Bonus 4 is Traffic Secrets Unleashed, a training that reveals super effective traffic sources for huge amounts of laser-targeted visitors. Bonus 5 is WP Checkout Maximizer. This tool increases your sales checkouts and fixes abandoned carts so you don't leave money on the table. Bonus 6 is WP Profit Page Creator. Instantly create SEO-friendly, high-converting product pages to sell your new recipe ebooks. Bonus 7 is Sales Page Recycler. Reuse your winning sales pages across different funnels to save time and effort. Bonus 8 is Coupon Wheel. Gamify your website with a spin-to-win discount wheel to capture more leads and sales from your visitors. Bonus 9 is Lead Generation Mastery, a complete guide on how to dive into countless sales-ready leads. Bonus 10 is Branding Secrets. Discover how to successfully market your brand online and stand out from the competition. So what is the final verdict? For $14, Culinary Fusion gives you a complete business in a box. You get unrestricted private label rights to a highly profitable niche. You can sell these as your own, use them as high-value bonuses, or build a massive email list of hungry buyers. But you need to act fast. My exclusive 10-piece bonus package is strictly limited to the first 50 action takers. Once those spots are gone, the bonuses will be removed permanently. Don't miss out on this edge. Click the link in the description right now to lock in your copy of Culinary Fusion and claim all 10 bonuses before they expire. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and marketing strategies. After you purchase through my link, your bonuses will be automatically delivered inside your Warrior Plus account directly under your purchase receipt. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.